Come on, babe. Oh, baby, please. Begging you, baby, baby, put it down on my, jump on my feet. Turn on the lights, turn on the lights, let it shine on me, shine on me. Hey, turn on your love light, gotta let it shine on me. Let it shine, let it shine. You sure got what I need. A whole lot on, not just a little bit, no. Walking in with that fine trick. Then you gave my heart a rip. I said your shoulders folded apart. Was a little bit frayed, but now it's fully in stitches. I asked my baby, are you coming please? I'll bring it right to me. I'll bring it right to me. Give me a little sweet. I've been waiting awfully patient now. Won't you bring it on? Don't leave me all alone. I'll pick up the phone, girl. I'm reaching out for you. I'm reaching out to you. I'm reaching out. Just don't leave it standing. With my hand in my pocket now. That ain't my time. I'ma get it right. I'm gonna open up this big old heart. I'm gonna let it shine. Ain't no time for holding back. If y'all would join me and just open up your heart and let it shine on your friend right next to you, back on your folks at home, particularly the ones that's all alone. Think of them now. I got my sweet old grandma sitting all alone in the home right now. God bless her. I hope someone's letting it shine over there, keeping all them old folks company. Or some little boy that just had his heart broke for the first time tonight after the big school dance. He knows what Pig was talking about. Big old golden pink ball of love. Letting it shine. I'm learning how to polish up mine. I'm gonna let it shine. 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 I asked my baby, are you coming please? Won't you bring it right to me? Turn me on, light me up. Now my candle is thick. I need a new wick. Let it shine. Light me up. Can you spare a match happy? I get a little